Are you done with secondary school and confused about what's next after exams? Cut-off points, deadlines, scholarships, programme choices? It's overwhelming. That's why we created the ultimate admission guide for secondary school graduates in Ghana, your step-by-step roadmap to success. Inside this powerful 60-plus page guide, you'll find clear answers on how to choose the right programme, apply correctly, win scholarships, and avoid costly mistakes. It's written specifically for Ghanaian secondary school graduates in a practical and simple way to make the transition into tertiary life smooth. Whether you dream of university, nursing training, technical university, or a college of education, this guide shows you exactly how to get there with confidence. And that's not all. You'll also get free bonuses, an admission checklist, a quick FAQ pack, and a collection of motivational quotes to keep you inspired. All of this is available for just 40 Ghana cedis with up to 20% discount with coupon code RISEUP20, with instant digital download right after purchase. Don't gamble with your future. Secure your copy today and take the first step towards your success. Click now to get yours.